Oh, such a cutie! Oh, little coyote kitty cat dog. Yeah. Woo.
California dreaming about you.
What's up, guys? So, today me and Chris wanted to talk a little bit about, bullshit in the fitness industry. There's a ton of stuff in the fitness industry that just shows lack of integrity, People are selling supplements, bullshit workouts based off of what they look like, not actual credentials. There's plenty of photoshopped pictures. There's equipment out there, the frog, the electrical belts that send impulses and they're supposed to give you abs like Arnold Schwarzenegger. There's nutrition out there. Girls, they have pictures on Instagram. They might have good genetics to stay lean even, right? But they're selling these nutrition programs saying, I eat a couple carrots and maybe 5 ounces of protein 5 times a day, and then they go and sell that to the masses. And people actually believe it, right? They believe it because these people are good at marketing. They believe that if this girl looks like this, she must know everything about fitness. She must know how to get lean, how to get big. Or this could go for men too, a guy, he injects a bunch of tren into his ass or some testosterone, whatever, right? And you see these pictures of him online. And the next thing you know, he's selling some supplement, right? It could be a fat burner, anything. And he's selling this fat burner claiming that he got the results that he has from taking this fat burner. And I'm gonna call it bullshit, right? There's just way too much crap out there, and people fall for it due to good marketing. They fall for it because people are good at marketing these things. They show off their body, and everyone then believes. They don't think with their brains, they go and think with their eyes, right? These people look so great, so they must know exactly what they're talking about. But in reality, that's just not how things work, okay? There's people out there that are photoshopping pictures, right? They're photoshopping a picture of them. It's the same exact day that they took the picture that's right beside it, and then they got a bottle of, some fat burner next to it or something, saying, I got these results in 20 days by taking some bullshit fucking fat burner, right? Come on. You guys, you can't believe this shit. You can't believe everything you see. The way you get results from training and from nutrition is just doing the basics, sticking to your compound movements, training consistently, hitting your macros, right? If you're cutting, you want to be in a caloric deficit, you lose body fat, throw away the supplements. There's only a few supplements that actually work, right? There's creatine, there's whey protein. You use whey protein if you can't get in enough protein, through your diet. Whey protein's great. I take it. Sometimes I have a hard time hitting my protein intake without it. There's citrulline malate, there's some pre-workouts, but you can buy that shit separately. You don't have to spend $60 on some jug of a bunch, proprietary blends. They put this jug together of a bunch of random shit, right? They put it in a proprietary blend, and that's supposed to go for $60 or $70 or whatever this, whatever. I haven't bought the shit in a long time. When you're new to this, you go into GNC, and the guy in GNC makes a commission off of what he sells, right? So he's gonna tell you need to take this test booster, you need to take this protein, you need to take this fucking fat burner, right? But you're literally taking your money. You might as well take your money, light the shit on fire, right? And just fucking get rid of it, because that's all you're doing. You're throwing your money away. Stop wasting your money, eat food, right? If you want to gain muscle, when you're cutting, you need to reduce the food, keep your protein intake high, keep your macronutrients, in proportion to where your maintenance calories are, or, where you're starting. You don't even have to know what your maintenance is. It's a moving number, okay? So you can basically start from whatever macros you're hitting now, just cut down 200, 500 calories per day, and you're probably gonna be in a caloric deficit. It doesn't need to get that complicated. You don't need to buy some fucking girl's nutrition program and booty blaster fucking program or some guy's bullshit program to get lean and to get into shape. It's just about consistency, hard work, and fucking being patient. Patience is the biggest thing, right? There's not enough guys that are patient. They get into the gym, they think they're gonna look like Arnold in 2 days. Sorry, it doesn't work like that, okay? You need to just take your time, stop worrying about what you look like, stop comparing yourself to these people on Instagram, stop comparing yourself to the next guy on YouTube. Just go into the gym, fucking train hard, eat, and you will get what you want. And stop throwing your money away, okay? And that's really all I have for today. That's it.
California dreaming about you.
Oh yeah, and we almost forgot. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.